Why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow. As far as folk stories go, garlic has long been credited as a deterrent to insects, vampires and evil spirits. Amazingly, garlic is also used as an old folk cure for insomnia. Indeed, its allicin content generates a relaxing effect that helps you nod off fast at night. That's why there are so many people putting garlic under the pillow. Let's see why you should sleep with garlic. Help with sleep. It is claimed garlic can help you to have a restful sleep. The powerful smell of garlic can unclog nasal passages and improve your breathing. The sulfur-containing garlic substances associated with the aroma have a calming effect on you. The smell of garlic goes through the pillow a little, which helps you fall asleep faster and deeper. If you have tried sleeping with a cold, you certainly know how uncomfortable it gets when you cannot breathe properly. However, you may notice that your susceptibility to sickness decreases when you put garlic under your pillow. Indeed, allicin blocks two groups of enzymes that enable infectious microbes to invade and survive in the body. Benefits of garlic. Garlic features a decent amount of magnesium and potassium, both minerals play a vital role in quality sleep. Magnesium helps initiate a deep, restful sleep by maintaining healthy levels of GABA, a neurotransmitter that lowers the activity of neurons in the brain and central nervous system. This, in turn, boosts relaxation and reduces stress levels. On the other hand, potassium increases sleep efficiency and helps maintain sleep after you drift off into slumberland. If you received enough of these nutrients from your daily diet, you might not need garlic before bed. But if you want to try it, here is a folk remedy for that. Safety precautions when sleeping with garlic under pillow. Does garlic under pillow do any harm for human? No. And it's not too expensive either. But don't leave each clove in place for too long. Change it daily. If you are expecting overnight guests, it is best to remove any traces of garlic and wash the bed linen to remove any lingering garlic aroma. However, if you have pets that invade your room or your food, you should know that garlic is toxic to both dogs and cats. So, do not leave any cloves of garlic under your pillow when you're not in bed. A clove of garlic is enough to make your furry friend sick. Be that as it may, placing a clove of garlic under your bed at night is the most effective sleep aid. Eaten or put under your pillow, garlic works wonders for your health. Whether or not you trust folk remedies, people who grapple with insomnia have found results using garlic. In addition, once you get accustomed to the smell of garlic in your room, it reportedly becomes pretty calming. Just don't forget to put it in a paper towel since garlic releases oil when crushed and can damage your bed sheets. Garlic pillow recipe. From 1 garlic bulb, take 1 clove of fresh garlic. Take care not to crush the clove. Retain the paper cover around the clove. Place the clove under your pillow at night. In the morning, remove the clove and discard. Repeat each night. Next time you do grocery shopping, don't forget to add some garlic, as it is good for sleep. If you find this video useful to you, your family members or friends, please share and like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more healthy tips. See you in the next video.